How to add store policies and legal pages to Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So it is very simple because Shopify does make it very simple. Just log into your Shopify admin and go to settings from the bottom left corner, and right at the bottom you should be able to find policies. So this is going to be all you need in here. You simply click on that and you're going to find all the different policies that you would want to set up. So for example, the first one is return and refund policy. It says no policy set. Privacy policy is automated for you. Terms of service, you can go ahead and set this up and so on. So let's just set up a few and also show you how to add them to a specific page and maybe add that to the menu. So let's say the return and refund policy, you simply just want to click on it. And some of them do have templates which make things a lot easier for you. You obviously would want to still go over it even after you insert the template, because there's going to be a lot of variables that you will need to change, obviously. But anyways, you still want to actually go over the entire thing. Anyway, so once you're happy with it and you adjust it accordingly, you simply just want to click on publish. And now that it is published, you're pretty much good to go. And same goes for terms of service and so on. Now you get the idea. So again, just insert template, go over it, change whatever you need to change, and click on publish. But if you want specific pages for them, then in that case, what you want to do is just go ahead and select the entire thing. Make sure you copy here, obviously, after you change everything, the business registration number, business phone number, and so on. So once you change everything, again, just copy the entire thing and you can feel free to click on publish. And you are just going, by the way, you can do this with anything else like shipping policy, for example, legal notice, whatever it may be. So once you copy it, you can just go to pages and click on add page. You can just go in and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it terms of service. And you simply just want to paste in everything in the content section. Make sure that it is visible and click on save. Now, lastly, what I'm going to do is I'm also going to add it to the menu. So I'm just going to go to content on the admin panel, click on menus. Let's just say I'm just going to add it to the main menu. You can add it to the footer if you want to. Click on add menu item. I'm just going to name it terms of service. And I'm going to click on link, go to pages and link the page that we have just created and click on the tick and save. And that's pretty much all we need to do. So first publish them, and then if you want to create separate pages for them, you can just go ahead and follow these steps I showed you. And now if we just view our online store, we should be able to find it in the menu. And if you click on it, it's going to include the entire terms of service and conditions. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.